Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can get the unlimited coins in Poly app absolutely for free using the mod. Okay, so all you have to do, you must download and install the mod. The mod works for iOS device also and Android. And this is the proof of unlimited coins in Poly app. But how to get the unlimited coins in Poly app? This process is very simple. All you have to do, you must open the website, as you can see. Now I enter address and press enter. Okay, when we open this website, we must select your device. Mine is Android, and enter your email address. I enter my email address, and the next step is press button download. After press button download, the application will be installed. Now we enter our email and press button download, and this is this process. In this process, this application mod, Poly mod, is installed. As you can see, the mod is installed. All you have to do, we must open this app, and yeah, this is this app. This is the Poly hack mod. Now to get unlimited coins for free, we open this app and enter coins as you want. In my case, this is the unlimited coins. Now I enter, select unlimited, and press button go hack. Now the application is generated for us coins. We wait for finish this process. This process is very fast, and yeah, this is it. This process is end, and we get unlimited coins. Now we open the application and check our balance, and in our case, as you can see, I have already the unlimited coins. This process is very simple. Thank you for watching, and bye.